welcome back to my channel, Nico. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a garden. So now you even out the dirt. Well, first you have to buy new dirt. So then you even out the dirt, which my worker was doing. So and sometimes they don't get all the stuff punched down. So sometimes you have to do that, like I'm doing. First we have to decide where everything goes. So first you dig a hole. And then after your hole is big enough and deep enough, then you put the plant in. Then you put the plant in. But you have to be careful to not break anything with the plant. So then, with your gloves back on, and with your gloves back on, or you can just put one glove. Then you cover all of the shoots. And then you cover everything. And then you like the big tower you made with dirt. And so then you just repeat that for all of your plants. Oh, and then you put a stake in. Okay. Then you put a stake in, and then you make the plant lean on it. So then it's now we will water the plants. So you gently pour it. Don't make it a bath for it. So then just water it all over. So then this summer you can eat some yummy, delicious vegetables. So now if you like this video, click that like button, subscribe down below, and comment. Bye!